Hi, this is Upasna. Today I am making uttapam for the first time on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoy it. For this recipe we need butter, suji, yogurt, salt. I am using pink salt here. Vegetables of your choice. Paneer, grated cheese, pepper powder, coriander, chili. So guys, first I soaked some suji or rava in dahi, and then I added some water and salt and then let it sit for around half an hour. I am slowly adding water to make the consistency as per as my choice. So you will see me adding water and testing the consistency for some time to see if it is working for me or not. So I will just be mixing the mixer. So my mixture is ready. I will put it aside and I will start working on the vegetables now. So for the veggie mix, I will require some capsicum. First I will put in the tomatoes. Then I will add some capsicum. You can add red, yellow, green, any color you have. I just had normal capsicum with me, so I'm just adding that. I like capsicum, so I am adding a lot more capsicum than required. Then I will go for the onions. I have used around one medium sized onion. This is for 2 people. Then I will add the paneer. This is a homemade one. You can add frozen or from the store, whatever paneer you have at home. Then I added some coriander. Then I will mix everything well. After this, I will add some seasoning. I have some Italian seasoning with me, so I will add that. You can add whatever spice you have at home. I will also add some jeera powder, that is cumin, some coriander powder, dhania as well, and some salt and pepper. I added some red chili powder as well for coloring. After I prepare the mixture, I will add some butter to the non-stick pan. This is the only pan I have at home, so excuse it please. So I am just spreading the batter. You can add olive oil as well or any vegetable oil. It just shouldn't be so overpowering. Any plain unsalted butter, olive oil, vegetable oil will be fine. After the butter is heated up, I will add the batter that I prepared. You can make it to any size. I just made a normal size one. It's just like pancake. Then I will add the veggies slowly. Before adding the veggies, make sure it's a little bit cooked. So I will be adding all the mixture of veggies on top. I will be very generous with the toppings, as this will be the main flavor of the dish. As you can see, I am pressing the topping with the spatula because I want it to be embedded deep inside the pancake, so that if I take a bite, it tastes very good. So I will be adding some cheese as well. I love cheese, so I will add more cheese. I will be very generous with the cheese topping and let it cook for some time. So guys, I lost the footage in the middle of it. So what I did was I just placed a lid on top so that it can cook in its steam. Otherwise it will be the veggies will be very raw and the down part will be cooked more. So to avoid that, I have just put on the lid so that it cooks evenly. So both sides will be done soon. So I'm just adding up some more cheese on top and I will place the lid, and once it's done, it's ready. So guys, this is how the end result will be. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe with your friends, and do let me know in the comments that how it turned out. Thank you.